Hello everyone, this is Kim Kleiman, founder of SteadyOptions.com. I would like to welcome you to Steady Options Orientation Tour. This short tour is to help new members to make the best use of the service. We will review some of the most important features of the service and the forum. So let's start. After you sign up, this is the general view of the forum that you see. The forum is divided to several subcategories. Some subcategories are dedicated to specific services like Steady Options and Steady Condors, and there is a general category for members forums which discuss different aspects of options trading and trading philosophy. Now, the first place that I recommend to go after you sign up is read this first forum. This forum has a few topics. Let's start with the Welcome to Steady Options topic. And I would like to highlight a few very important points. First of all, I highly recommend that you spend a few minutes and read this post. Also read the frequently asked questions and useful links. It shouldn't take too much time, but it will be time well spent. Next point is a portfolio for Steady Options alerts. We recommend to start with $10,000 and to allocate no more than $100,000 to Steady Options alerts. If you have bigger portfolios, we have different solutions. We have managed accounts and we have other services. So let's go to Steady Options forum. It has 3 sub-forums: Steady Options Trades, Steady Options Earnings Trades Discussions, and Non-Earnings Trade Discussions. So let's click on Steady Options Trades. Steady Options Trades forum has a list of topics. Each topic is basically a trade. So to get trade alerts, you need to follow the Trades forum by clicking Follow this forum button. This is a one-time action. If you follow this forum, you will receive an email when a new topic is posted. Now, this is a very important point to understand. If you don't follow this forum, you will not get any trade alerts. So once you do, it's a one-time action. You don't need to do it each time. Now let's see how trade alerts look. Let's go to FedEx straddle, and you have description of a strategy, buying individual legs, price that we paid, number of contracts, earnings dates, and you also have screenshots of my actual fills from my broker. Now, all trade alerts come with screenshots because I'm trading the alerts that I'm posting on the forum. Our performance is based on real trades. It's not some kind of hypothetical or theoretical performance. It's everything live trading that we do in our live accounts. And all trade alerts also come with disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor and this is not trade recommendation. And this is not just a disclaimer because I really want members to learn the strategies and not just blindly follow the alerts. This is very important. My goal is to teach you to become a better trader, and this is not a recommendation letter. We just discuss our trades, and then I expect the members to learn the strategies, and this way you can become more independent and become a better trader. Now, if you scroll to the bottom of the page, you can see that you have 10 previous topics dedicated to the same stock, FedEx. So all discussion topics and trade topics, you can see them here. And this is really very convenient. because you can see previous trades, previous discussions. You can check which what prices we paid and compared to the current price, and how much profit or loss we made, etc., etc. All right. Now, one more point that I wanted to show you. To get notifications from this specific topic, you need to follow this topic. So it's not enough that you are following the trade forum, you also need to follow specifically this topic in order to get notification about new posts in that topic. Now this system is to allow members to be in full control how many emails they want to get. Basically this works the same way for all forums and all topics. You need to follow the forum to get the first topic on that forum, and you need to follow the topic to get all posts that are posted on that topic. And the rationale is very simple. Some days we get about 100 posts posted on the forum, and I'm sure that the members wouldn't be very happy to get 100 emails. So by following specific forums and specific topics, you can decide exactly what you want to get and what you don't want to get. All right, let's go back to earnings trades discussions. Same way as the trades forum, this is a forum that has a list of discussion topics. We have discussion topics for each trade, and we also have a list of candidates. So every week I will post a list of trading candidates for the next week, and we will do some general discussion about the candidates. We will do some backtesting. As you can see, there are some nice charts that go and backtest the strategies that we use few cycles back. And I will post a separate topic for each candidate I think is suitable, with analysis of the prices, average move, previous cycle prices, etc. So, for example, for FedEx, you can see that I post the date it reports earnings, the previous cycle's moves, the current price, the previous cycle prices. So we can compare if the current prices are good compared to previous prices. And each topic will also have a link to strategy that we are considering to use. So in this case, we are considering to use straddles or strangles. So you have a link to post discussing straddles and strangles with P&L chart and all aspects related to straddles or strangles. In case we're considering calendars, for example, like in Netflix case, you will have a link to trading pre-earnings calendars, which has all rationale behind the trading strategy, and you can see all that is relevant to that strategy. All right, so after I post the discussion topic, we might have some discussions, and then I will try to get the trade at the best possible price. When I get filled, I will post it under the trades forum. As discussed, you should follow this forum to get email notification about the trade, and once it is posted, if you want to follow the trade, you should follow that specific topic. And I will also send the trade notification on Twitter. We have a protected account on Twitter called Steady Options, and you can follow me and get notification, and it could be backup for email alerts. Now let's review some links on the top of the page. So we have open trades, and this topic has a list of all trades, all the details of the trade with links to trades topic and the discussion topic. Now we have the daily update, and this is basically a daily trading plan. There will be one post per day, usually before the market open or during the first hour of trading, and the post will share the trading plan for that date, which trades we need to close, etc. Then we have useful links, and useful links has a list of the most important forum posts. For example, we have posts discussing our strategies. We have posts discussing allocation guidelines. We have posts discussing specific strategies, etc., etc. I highly recommend that you go over all the posts and try to learn as much as you can. All right, one last point is another convenient feature that we have on the forum, which is calendar. This is basically a list of all candidates that we are trading or considering to trade and the date that they report earnings. So if we are right now in a FedEx trade, we know that FedEx reports on June 16, and you don't have to remember it. You can just go to calendar and check it, and it will show you on what date we are required to close the trade, because we don't hold our trades past earnings. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Email me with any questions you might have, or post your questions on the forum. Have a great day, and let's make some money together. Thank you. Bye-bye.